Okay, me and Willie are going to walk over to the sound of the river. Mimi has to clean up. She feels lost if she can't do everything by herself, so every once in a while I make some sarcastic remark, very lovingly, and we just laugh. Let's see, can I video and go down this at the same time? William has a hold of one arm. It has a drink in it. Alright, I'm safely down. And here we have a babbling brook. Okay, now is this that same Ponderosa? Lopato? Yeah. I don't get any of my names right. So have you been down here before?
I haven't been down to this river, no.
I could come hang out by a river forever. I could live by a river. Listen to that sound. There's just nothing like the sound of a river. I hear the sound of a river. Makes me think of the sound of a mighty rushing wind. And it sounds like Jesus. And I'm trying to navigate these rocks. I'm alright. Okay. Ah, here we go. Is there a purpose to that?
No.
No, okay.
See it popped up right there.
Yep. I didn't know if that was some kind of trick.
Right. I thought about trying to walk across that log, but then my better sense got one out.
I might try to talk you out of something like that. Just maybe. It just looks pretty and it just sounds... I don't know what the sound is. It sounds peaceful. And it's something that God made. Oh, you hear that thunder back there? That's the thunder from the hail and rain from the mountain. See, we just came down from the mountain. But it looks like it's getting closer and closer. Here, hold this one. So we finished eating, and then there was a big sound of lightning. And I said, well, we better hurry and go down to that river if we're going to go down there before that lightning comes. Not the lightning, the rain. You knew what I meant, right? Anyway, this is really cool. I'm having a really, really good time on our vacation. And I'm pretty sure in a few days when it's time to go home that I'm going to want to just stay right here. I'm going to show you a video later on of us going. We traveled over an hour up this road. The road that where this campground is off of. They have all these little camping places. Up to a certain point, and then it'll say no more camping past this spot, no more bathrooms past this spot. They have different places where they cut things off, like camping and bathrooms. And it was nerve-wracking going up that big road. So I videoed more coming down than I did going up. And it was a lot faster coming down. Anyway, we've had a really good time. And the dog did fine going up, but was a nervous wreck coming down. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great, wonderful week. Have a wonderful weekend. It's Friday. I will look to the hills from which cometh my help, for my help cometh from the Lord, who made the heaven and the earth, and this babbling brook that we're watching. Bye-bye.